What's going on, guys? XRP Lambos for Life here, bringing you another cryptocurrency video. Let's do a quick review here for those who have not been viewing the videos in the channel. Alright, so in my last video, I was saying, where is my... I'm not going to find it. Alright, there it is. In my last video that I made right here, I said that the price was going to fall, and the price fell. It was right here. I said the structure does not look good anymore, and that the price would likely go much lower than 56K. So guys, we dropped a quick 10%, and then the price recovered another quick 10-11% back to the upside. This is real exciting. I'm sure the bulls are saying that this looks really exciting right here, right now. But I'm letting you guys know that this is not exciting and that the price is still bearish. If we go back to my other videos and we take a look, we were looking for the most part, 56,000, 56,000, low 53,000, but 56,000 being a strong support. And then my video that I made recently was saying that the target had changed to 35,000 from 56,000. So price fell, and then we got down to 56,500, $100 off, a few $100 off from the original targets. And then the price bounced. Again, a quick review for us people that have not been following the channel. I've been bearish since this point back here, and now I've been bearish for a solid 20 days in the making. I'm going to go ahead and say, like I did right here, that the price is going to fall from here. So price has recovered all the way back up here. We had a significant bounce off of the original support here at 56,000. I said that price was going to go much lower than 56,000. The price still bounced at my original target of 56,000, but the structure does not look good, and the structure is looking like it is going to fall yet again. In my opinion, we can start making sense of these wave counts, and that these are in fact an ABCDE correction, and that there should be another significant bounce around $51,000 to $52,000. Just like there was a significant bounce of the support of $56,000. Let me repeat that. I did say for the longest time that this was going to be the target, and that in my last video I said that we were going to go much lower than that. So we went to my original target, had a nice big old bounce from the original target. I'm still going to hold on to my conviction that we are going to head on lower. So how low are we exactly going to go? So next support for me, in my last video, I was also pointing to about $48,000, $49,000, $51,000 as a next support. We bounced off the original support of $56,000, rallied up here all the way to $63,000. And I do in fact think that we are getting ready to turn over, like I made a video right here in the past, a video right here in the past, saying that we are going to dump, and now I'm saying that we are going to dump yet again. So in my opinion, the price should dump from $63,000, and we should head on down lower to around $52,000 to $51,000 before a nice next bounce. That wave was 13%. So if we are just to make a quick guess, this could actually come all the way back up here again for a significant bounce. I do think we are going to get rejected here where the price has rallied from that big support that I have been talking about, and that we should head on lower. I do think that price is still headed towards $35,000, and eventually, that's right, we'll bounce $35,000 and head even lower, most likely to the low 20s, where the bulls will have their final chance to confirm another bull run, or I don't know. I'm not going to make any assumptions, but we should bounce 35,000, and there is a good possibility that 23,000 or 24,000 will be the bottom of this movement to the downside. But in the midterm, the price should fall from here and should head to 52,000 for the next support. Again, we had the support here at $56,000, like my other videos were saying. Again, saying that we were going to go much lower. Price still bounced it. I'm still saying that we're going to go much lower. The support was felt, and now we should break the support on the way back down for a wave 3 in here, which is in fact longer than wave 1, make up of an A, B, C, D, E correction in here. So I am still bearish. I am still bearish. Let me repeat that one last time. I am still bearish. If you happen to have found this channel, I would humbly ask you to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to say this as least prideful as possible. I don't think anyone else in the entire cryptocurrency market is calling it to this exact perfection. That's right, guys. I said the price was going to fall here, and it fell immediately after I released the video. I said for the longest time that we were going to break $56,000 support, and we will. But $56,000 support, 400, was just off by a measly by $100. We bounced that support, and now we should dump right here, right now, back down to at least 52,700 for the next support, in which we will bounce yet again before going lower. So guys, if you are still holding, this would be the second best time, or third or fourth or fifth best time to sell. Realistically, in my videos, I was bearish right here. But for the longest time, I was also bearish up here, even though I didn't make any, or I did make a video. I flipped bullish. I flipped bullish maybe here or here, and then I flipped bearish right here. And we have been on the descent ever since, making lower highs and lower lows. Now the price should reject from right here, and we should start falling down right now. Okay? So again, well, Lambo, you said that we're going to go to 35,000. We are going to go to 35,000 for a bigger bounce, but right now 52,000 is the next support for another bounce. This is going to be a prolonged descent because we had the halving. No one's going to want to panic sell. The market makers are not going to let people panic sell. There's going to be real choppy price action in here. There's not going to be any capitulation just yet. Real choppy price action for Bitcoin is my prediction. So we can expect the price to reject here and go to $52,000 and then bounce and then head to the lower target of $35,000 and have a bigger bounce before heading even lower. All right, so the price is rejecting just a little bit. Really want to see the bears just take this candle all the way down here really quickly. We have about 2 minutes and 40 seconds left for the bears to do a little bit more damage, as I would like to see this price here reject right here. The reason I'm looking at that price for rejection is because I am looking for a 4.236 retest, and that is exactly what might be happening. I've seen this structure a few times where we have a subwave, and I want you guys to pay attention to the bright yellow lines right here. We came in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. We left it, slipped it, and came all the way back up and tagged it. So once we tag it, we usually tag the 4.236, and then we head straight to 11, which would be at 52,000, and we have multiple confluences lining up for that to be the next area of support for Bitcoin. Again, taking this first subwave here and 4.236 for 52,000. Again, guys, we will bounce 52,000, and then we will head lower to the next support of around 35,000. That could range between really 34 and 36. Anywhere in here would be the next bounce. If you're looking to have I mean, these are all really choppy waves. This is going to bounce, and then this is going to bounce, and then maybe the bottom will be around the low 20s. But we can only play it by ear as every little support gets hit, looking for rejections and looking for the next support. So that $64,000 support got hit, and now $52,000 support should get hit. The chart changes every day, and so does my adjustments on the market have to be adjusted. However, I will not flip bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. We are in a downtrend right now, in my opinion, so I will remain bearish. The next support will be around 52,000 before we have another nice 10% or so, 12, 13, 14% bounce, in my opinion. The SPX looks like it's about to dump as well. So Bitcoin really climbed its way out of that hole, and we should be getting rejected here yet again pretty aggressively to mimic what the stock market is still at. And there's also a possibility where what am I doing? Where's the thing? There's a good possibility where we could also just linger out in here until we have stocks open on Monday, as it is Friday night right now. So really no promises in a straight rejection. Prices could go sideways for 48 more hours or so before we start getting rejected. But I am pretty confident that we will get rejected here and head back down lower. As always, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Please, if you haven't liked the video, just throw a like in there, even if you're holding crypto and you don't want to see this price dump. I do this all for free. This is all free advice. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I am pretty darn close. Humbly speaking. Thank you guys for watching this cryptocurrency video. I will see you guys at $52,000 for an update on a significant bounce coming in, before, of course, heading much lower and up, and then much lower again. Thank you guys so much for liking the video. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.